With concerns over water and the ability to develop more drought-resistant crops, researchers are comparing two methods to grow seeds under drought conditions. 180 seeds were randomly assigned method A and 180 seeds were randomly assigned method B. 146 of the seeds using method A grew successfully compared to 156 of the seeds using method B. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the difference in the proportion of method A seeds and method B seeds that grew successfully. Here's the write-up. This requires a 2-sample z-interval on the difference in the proportion of method A seeds and method B seeds that grew successfully. Normality, all successes and failures are well above 5. State the values specifically, you guys. Don't just answer in generalities. We're told that 180 seeds were randomly assigned to method A and to method B. This is an experiment, so that also brings us to the independence condition. These are not really samples, these are treatments. So we would say the two treatment groups are independent of each other. None of the seeds are in both treatments. And then we claim the population of seeds is obviously huge. Use the two proportions z-interval in the calculator to compute all necessary values. Since the parameter being estimated is the difference in two unknown population proportions, the statistic is the difference of sample proportions. The critical z-score is the one that traps 2.5% of the tail, and there's no pooling the p-hats with intervals because no null hypothesis is being assumed true in claiming that the population proportions are equal. So the two unknown population proportions are estimated by p1 hat and p2 hat. Those are used in the standard deviation formula. The interval estimate of the difference in the two proportions is right here. Since it's the success rate using method A minus method B, here's how we interpret the interval. We're 95% confident that the difference in success rates proportions is between 13% more seeds growing successfully using method B to 2% more seeds growing successfully using method A.